How to use Binance dollar cost average strategy. Now, dollar cost averaging within Binance can be easily done using the auto invest feature, which is the recurring buy feature for any sort of cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So within the search bar, simply search for auto invest, or within a particular cryptocurrency, you could also be able to see the option called recurring option being displayed on the top. Make sure that the recurring option is selected, and you'll be able to select from a recurring date. So for example, you could set up your frequency of the buys, such as every Sunday or every Monday, or you could do this daily, weekly, or even bi-weekly, depending upon what you want. And this allows you to constantly buy a cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin, without you having to do it manually. So once you set this up, you should be able to enable the dollar cost averaging within Binance. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.